Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sasikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Guys, today I'm going to talk about planet Jupiter. This video will be very interesting because Jupiter is a planet of growth, expansion. Jupiter is a planet of all around success in your life. Jupiter is a planet of all around success, fame, prosperity, if well placed in your birth chart. Jupiter Karka Bhav is second house, fifth house, ninth house, 11th house. A lot of people you can listen a lot of videos on YouTube. If Jupiter plays in Karka Bhav, they never give fruitful result. But that is wrong. I'm not going to, tell ki they are wrong and I am right. But what I research about Jupiter, if Jupiter plays in your second house, fifth house, ninth house, and 11th house, it will give fantastic results. It will give fruitful results. It will give ultimate results. A lot of people saying like this, sir, if Jupiter plays in one house and suppose if Jupiter plays in your second house and the Jupiter placement of second house is not very promising and aspect of the Jupiter is very promising. There is one confusion in people which I'm going to clear today. Where Jupiter placed, Jupiter give 95% results, and where Jupiter aspect, Jupiter give 100% promising result. So in both cases, Jupiter give fantastic results. Jupiter has three aspects: fifth aspect, seventh aspect, and ninth aspect. So guys, today my video is topic is Jupiter and growth. If you have a Mahadasha of Jupiter, Jupiter may Karka planet or may no not a Karka planet in your Lagna. That is not a matter of concern. But if you have a Jupiter Mahadasha, you will definitely blessed with a success. If Jupiter well placed, Jupiter may be lord of your 6th house, 8th house, or 12th house, and but Jupiter placed exalted in your birth chart in 4 number. Jupiter is in 9 number, Jupiter is in 12th number. You will definitely blessed with a lot of success. You will definitely blessed with a lot of family growth. Jupiter is a planet of all around success, expansion, growth in the terms of your materialistic gains, in the terms of your personal life, in the terms of your mental stability, in the terms of your financial gains, your savings, your earning. Everything is linked with Jupiter. Like I make a lot of videos on Rahu. Rahu is all about confusion and far away from reality because Rahu is a shadow planet. Jupiter is not like that. Jupiter is a Devya Guru Brahaspati. Devya Guru, like it is, you can say, a Guru always give something to students. Same placement, same reputation, same system of Jupiter in birth chart. If Jupiter is well placed, it will always give fruitful results. It will always give lot of name, fame, prosperity, growth in business, lot of source of earning, lot of friend circle, lot of social circle. You will enjoy a lot of great success in Jupiter Mahadasha because Jupiter is well placed in your birth chart. No need to worry about this. You have a Libra ascendance, you have a Taurus ascendance, you have a Capricorn ascendance or Aquarius ascendance, and Jupiter is not a yoke karak for your ascendance lord. Jupiter natural nature is a positive nature. Jupiter is all around a positive planet. If well placed, I'm telling you again and again, if well placed like 4 number Cancer sign, 9 number Sagittarius sign, 12 number Pisces sign, or in well placed in 2nd, 5th, 9th, 11th houses or first house, it will give fantastic results. You will get very good spouse if Jupiter is in first house. You will become a very true soul. You believe in worship. You believe in chanting. You believe in follow the religion always. If you're born in Muslim Dharam, you follow your religion because Jupiter is in your first house. And your spouse will be very helpful for you. You will get a loving spouse. You will get a loving life partner, caring life partner because Jupiter 7th aspect is on your 7th house. Your daily income will rise and you will get a lot of gains after your marriage. Your good fortune started smile for you. If Jupiter is in 2nd house, you may have any lagan, but if Jupiter is in 2nd house in Cancer sign, Sagittarius sign, Pisces sign, you will blessed with a lot of savings, lot of FDs, RDs, gold, jewelry. You will live in a big family, a joint family, a big family. Blessings of your elders are always protect you. Blessings of your parents, blessings of your grandfather and father will always protect you because Jupiter is a 2nd house. This is one of the ultimate placement of Jupiter. If your Jupiter is in 5th house, in Cancer sign, Sagittarius sign, or Pisces sign, it will give you a lot of fruitful results. You may become a very good actor. You may become a very good, you will linked with entertainment industry. You may become a very good player. You may become a very good, stockbroker. You will earn a lot of money from stock market. 5th house Jupiter, you have a creative mind and your creativity create magic at your workplace. Fifth house Jupiter will give you lot of sense of humor. You will learn a lot of new things in your life. Jupiter fifth house will give you lot of languages. You learn a lot of languages, different type of languages you need to learn, and even you are passionate to learn different languages because Jupiter is in fifth house. And Jupiter is also fifth house is also mantra sadhana house. If Jupiter plays, Jupiter or Sun is in fifth house, a native is very spiritual, very God fearing, and that type of people are very near to their soul. So if you have a Jupiter in fifth house, you are a blessed man. Now another placement of the Jupiter in ninth house, if you have a Cancer Jupiter, Sagittarius Jupiter or Pisces Jupiter in your ninth house, you are very fortunate in the terms of good fortune. Your father blessings are there for you. Your grandfather blessings are there for you. You will be sky high and top throughout life because this is the one of the finest position of Jupiter in ninth house in astrology. You are very religious. You start your day with the religion, with the dharma karam, with the name of Vaheguru, with the mantra of Om Namah Shivaya, with the use the name of Allah. You know, whatever your mantra, you can start your day with the spirituality because Jupiter is a well placed in your ninth house. 4 number, 9 number or 12 number sign in ninth house, Jupiter will give lot of religious activities, religious journey. You may donate lot of money as a charity because Jupiter is a very well placed in your ninth house. Some long distance journeys are there. You may settle in foreign land. You will get PR or work permit. And another beneficial position of the Jupiter in 11th house. If you have a Jupiter in Cancer sign, Sagittarius sign or Pisces sign in 11th house, it's a Karka of the Jupiter. The house Karka of the Jupiter will give lot of benefits because you have a large circle of friends. You have a big, you will organize a big organization. You will travel a lot. Your horizon will be big. In Jupiter, if you have a Jupiter Mahadesha and Jupiter is in 11th house, your friends will support you. You will be a people, you will meet a people, they become your well-wishers. Jupiter 11th house, your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled if you try to fulfill your dreams. If you try to perform your best and try to do your best to fulfill your dreams, you will definitely achieve big goals because Jupiter is in 11th house. Jupiter 11th house is one of the strongest position in my research. If Jupiter is in 11th house, a native is very near to their soul, a native is very God-fearing, a native is very near to God and always try to do good karma and good deeds with other because Jupiter is in 11th house. 11th house also house of spirituality. 11th house is also house of your good gains, smart gains. So if Jupiter is in your 11th house, you will blessed with a lot of monetary gains. You will earn a lot of money from stock market because Jupiter 7th aspect is in 5th house. You will earn a lot of money from stock market. There is a strong chances for your love marriage, successful love marriage if Jupiter is in 11th house. If you have a Jupiter in 11th house, believe me, you will earn money more than you thought. You will earn name, fame, position during Jupiter Mahadesha more than your thoughts, and you will become a father of your family. You are always try to give support to your siblings that may be elder or younger. You are always try to think your parents. You are always live your life for others because Jupiter is very good placement in 11th house. So guys, if you have that type of Jupiter in your birth chart, no need to worry. You will rise a lot. You will success a lot. You just need to do your best and good karma with others. Think good, do good, and try to help any needy people. You will definitely shine like a sun in your life. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.